Thank you for joining me for another episode of The Raw Experience. This channel is solely dedicated for motivating and encouraging individuals who have been impacted by narcissistic relationships and or toxic people. And so I want to add that I'm not a doctor, neither am I a psychiatrist, but I am a believer in Jesus Christ with the purpose, and that purpose is to help push you out of this dark place that this narcissist have left you in. And so today's topic will be the narcissist. When the Hoover finally comes, what should you do? And so after a series of deplorable acts coming from this demon, the narcissist, you are now, or you were left with the hole in your heart. And you're wondering what just happened to you. Not only what happened to you, but when did this happen? And then why? Because everything happened so fast. So at this point, you're trying to figure out if it's something that you did wrong, or could you have done something different or better? And so you're reaching out to this narcissist because you want answers. And you want to know exactly what happened. And to no avail, they're not responding to you. You're calling, they're not answering. You're texting, they're not responding back to you. And so at this point, they're not responding because they don't feel that you are valuable to them any longer. All right. The mask that they had on in the beginning, it has dropped. So at this point, they're not pretending with you. They're just being who they are. This is why you see the disrespect. This is why you see the violence. You don't know who this person is any longer. Okay? They are somebody else that you do not know. And so, as a matter of fact, right about this time, they are on with this new person, this new supply. And they're not thinking about you right now. However, they will think about you later. They're going to think about you when something goes wrong with this new person, or when they need something from you. But right now, your character has been placed on the shelf and you're waiting for that cue. What is the cue? The cue is the Hoover. It's the Hoover. Now, I want to give you a little bit of information as to why you can be on the shelf right now. You're on that shelf right now because you did not go along with their storyline as it relates, to your part. You broke that storyline. They could have asked you to do something that you didn't feel comfortable with, or they probably wanted you to be a part of something that you said no to. And this could be anything. They could have wanted you to give them money, pay a bill, just anything. Whatever they want, they feel like you should do it or give it to them. This is that grandiosity that they feel about themselves. Or another reason why you could be on that shelf is you just got a little boring to them. Okay, so they needed that fuel to make them feel validated. A narcissist have to have fuel so they could be this person that they have in their mind to be. And so after the discard, you're waiting. Some of you waited days, weeks, months, and sometimes even years, waiting for a call back from this narcissist because you want validation. And so, but out of the blue, bam. Because I said out of the blue because that's when it happens. So it's never an if, but it's a when. So out of the blue, you get this call. So in the event, you get this call and you have not blocked them, do not answer them, because if you answer them, you're going to go right back into that cycle of being abused again. They're going to continue lying, continue cheating, gaslighting, projection, and so forth. Nothing changes with them. Anything. They're not calling you because they're thinking about you or because they missed the relationship. It's not that. Do not be ignorant of the enemy's devices. They want something from you. And it could be that things are not working out as well as they expected with this new supply. And so they're calling you because they know that you were that, supply that was amazing, and they want to feel that again from you. All right. And of course, they want to abuse you some more. They want to finish off what they did not finish in the beginning. And they're back for that purpose. So when you see their phone number come up, please ignore that. All right. In the event that you've already picked the Hoover up, it's never too late. Go no contact across the board on all social media platforms, on your phone. Just cut off communication. You are better than that. You are very valuable to this world. You are worth more than what you think you are right now. You're worth more than that. More than anything, God has a great plan for you. His desire is to prosper you, even as your soul prosper. Keep your eyes on God. He has great things in store for you. People, don't get distracted. These are demonic forces. They come with an assignment. The assignment is to kill, steal, and destroy you. They want you in the worst position that they can have you in because they know the lower you are, the more you'll be susceptible to doing the crazy, horrific things that they want you to do. They don't stop until you're out. So I wanted to bring this piece to you. I wanted to encourage you, motivate you, and bring some awareness to let you know that you're going to get better and you're going to get stronger. With God, you can do all things. All right. And so if you like this content, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit that noti bell so that you'll be able to get all the new videos as I upload them. All right. See you next time at The Raw Experience. Love you all. Bye-bye.